Protests have broken out in several parts of Nepal after the MEA, remember, confirmed that Prime Minister Modi will not be visiting Janakpur, Lumbini and other parts of Nepal as part of his SAARC visit. There's a change in the Prime Minister's program which has triggered protests in Birganj, Rajviraj and Lumbini. The MEA has confirmed that the Prime Minister will only be travelling to Kathmandu due to domestic commitments.
देखिए, अगर डिप्लोमेटिकली बने कहें तो बायलैटरल रिलेशंस पर प्रभाव पड़ेगा मेरे हिसाब से। डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशन है, इस पर फार रीचिंग इसका इम्प्लीकेशंस होगा। और जहाँ तक स्थानीय जनता का है तो हमारी अपेक्षा बहुत सारी थी यहाँ से। एक बच्चे में देखें सब में रोष व्याप्त है, तो कुल मिला जुला कर कहा जाए तो हम लोग सारे असंतुष्ट हैं, रोष है।
जी, हम लोग इतना समझिए कि हम लोग दाना पानी भी बंद कर दिए हुए।
क्या है?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं आ रहे हैं इसी के चलते। और हम लोग को नरेंद्र मोदी जी कुछ साइकिल भी भेजे हुए हैं, वो भी नहीं जनता को यहाँ दे रहा। और सरकार जो है अपना जब्त करके रखे हुए हैं। हम लोग को नरेंद्र मोदी जी आएंगे तभी हम लोग भोजन करेंगे।
हम लोग बहुत आशा लेकर बैठे हुए थे कि हमारे निकट पड़ोसी देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी आएंगे, हम लोग कुछ यहाँ का देख रेख करेंगे, क्या है कैसा है यहाँ का वातावरण, पर्यटन क्षेत्र सब देख रेख करेंगे। लेकिन उनको नहीं आने से यहाँ का जनता पूरे मर्माहित हो गए हैं।
हमारे नेपाल में मोदी जी आने वाले थे, पर हमारा नेता विमल निधि जो है उनको कैंसिल कर रहे हैं कोई कारण बस कि उसको प्रशासन का सुरक्षा हम नहीं दे सकेंगे। इसके विरुद्ध में हम लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
And Smita Sharma still with us from Kathmandu. Smita, massive protests have been triggered after it has been known that there's been a change in the Prime Minister's schedule.
Well, Sanjana, of course, those protests essentially happening in the Tarai belt, really, you know, those plainland areas bordering India, which also share much more closer, in fact, ethnic, cultural ties in a way. But here in the capital city of Kathmandu, really, there is no sign of protest as such. Right behind me is the erstwhile, in fact, Narayan Hiti, or where, you know, the rulers of the erstwhile former monarchs of Nepal used to say. But now, of course, Nepal has transitioned onto the process, onto the path of democracy, of being a republic, though it still needs to charter the future course of its identity in terms of what kind of federalism it wants. And definitely Narendra Modi's entire controversy about him postponing and having to cancel off this trip has added to the divisive narrative within Nepal, where they think that this is a fight between the hill parties and the so-called Madhesi parties that are seen to be more closer with Indian linkages. But in Kathmandu, clearly security is high. We have seen army personnel, Nepal police personnel deployed everywhere. Security drills are happening. What is going to be a bigger challenge is really the traffic out here, managing that traffic, which was chock-a-block during Narendra Modi's last visit to Nepal in August this year.
Right.
But there are notifications that have been issued for flying only certain vehicles on certain days, but that will remain a challenge here.
Absolutely, Smita, but do we see this any kind of this tension, this protest that's been caused in Nepal? Do we see any of it trickling into Kathmandu and sort of, you know, causing any kind of problem? Because as you did, in fact, mention, we remember his last trip to Nepal, he was really mobbed because there were throngs of supporters that gathered to actually get a glance of the Prime Minister.
Well, see, this time around, in fact, all the heads of states are staying in the Sualti Hotel, which is, you know, a few kilometers away, really, from the city area. Tomorrow, once he lands, there was unofficial word that he might go to Patan Square, which is one of the famous Nepalese architecture temples out here. But that is not officially confirmed. His city movement really is not much tomorrow other than the trauma center and the Dhulikhel army ground, where he'll go and hand over these 2 helicopters. But I'll just continue to get in one more reaction from these people around here. Would you want Mr. Modi? Last time he was here in Kathmandu, there were people on the streets trying to shake hands with him. Traffic was blocked. Do you think this time also there should be something where Mr. Modi can get to meet with people?
I think Mr. Modi will really he will come out and meet people, and like last time when he was here, we felt like Modi was not the Indian Prime Minister. We felt like he was like Nepalese Prime Minister, and that was really a good feeling, and I hope he will do this once again.
पर आपको चिंता है कि अगर मोदी जी आएंगे यहाँ ट्रैफिक जाम फिर से ना हो जाए कहीं सड़क में?
नहीं, ऐसे बात तो नेपाली लोग बहुत संभाल के आ रहे हैं, लेकिन मोदी जी फिर भी ऐसे जब कर रहे हैं ना, जो इंडिया और नेपाल का एक दुश्मनी जैसे देख रहा था पीपल को, ओनली फॉर पीपल को ऐसे देख रहा था। लेकिन जब मोदी जी आया, अभी किसी भी नेपाली पीपल ऐसे नहीं सोचते कि इंडिया लोग बहुत अच्छी है, इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर बहुत अच्छी बन रहे हैं, ये ऐसा फिर भी होना चाहिए।
मतलब अच्छे फीलिंग्स हैं। एक इंडिया से देयर समबडी हु इज कमिंग हियर। सर आप कहाँ से आए हैं इंडिया से?
इंडिया से, जयपुर से हैं।
जयपुर से आप घूमने आए हुए हैं?
घूमने आए हुए हैं।
आप यहाँ पर जा रहे हैं, लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है इंडिया को लेकर क्या फीलिंग है यहाँ?
इंडिया के देख के फीलिंग है कि यहाँ के लोगों को इंडिया से प्यार है बहुत, और इंडिया के लोगों को यहाँ का काठमांडू भी अच्छा लगा बहुत।
So there you see Sanjana, well, somebody actually saying the last time around he felt that Modi wasn't the Prime Minister of India but of Nepal. But clearly because he's not the only head of state that is going to be around, there will be heads of states of Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan. We have Nawaz Sharif as well. So clearly they will have to ensure that city movement in a way is restricted for security reasons of all VIPs who are there in the city for the SAARC summit.